How to find accessible Thousand Islands boat tours in New York. If you are eager to enjoy the stunning beauty of the Thousand Islands region in New York but have accessibility needs, you are in the right place. Let's talk about how to find boat tours that cater to everyone. Start by looking for tour operators that focus on accessibility. Many companies in the Thousand Islands area are dedicated to making their tours enjoyable for all visitors, including those with mobility challenges. It is best to reach out to them directly to confirm what specific accommodations they offer. Key departure points for these tours are Alexandria Bay and Clayton, New York. These towns serve as central hubs for boat tours. For example, Uncle Sam Boat Tours in Alexandria Bay is a popular choice. They have accessible docks, making it easier for passengers with disabilities to board. Their tours often include stops at famous sites like Boldt Castle, and they allow you to stay on the boat if getting off is difficult. Another option is Clayton Island Tours, which offers scenic cruises through the islands. They also visit attractions like Boldt Castle and Rock Island Lighthouse. Contacting them ahead of time can help you find out about their accessibility features, such as ramps and handrails, or if they provide assistance for boarding and disembarking. When choosing a tour, here are some practical steps to consider. First, reach out to the tour company before your visit. Ask about wheelchair access, the availability of ramps, restroom facilities on board, and any special assistance they provide. Next, inquire about the size and type of boats used. Smaller boats may have limited accessibility, while larger vessels often have better accommodations. Also, confirm if the tour includes stops that requiring additional boarding or walking. It is important to know if alternative arrangements exist for those who may not be able to do so. Look for tours that offer narrated experiences from the boat itself. This way, you can enjoy the sights and history of the region without needing to disembark. The Thousand Islands area is home to many scenic and historical attractions accessible by boat. These include Boldt Castle, Singer Castle, and Rock Island Lighthouse. Many tours provide narrated cruises that pass these landmarks, allowing you to experience the region's rich history and natural beauty with minimal physical exertion. Some operators also offer specialized tours, such as eco-tours or sunset cruises. These may have different accessibility provisions, so reviewing these options can help you find a tour that fits your interests and needs. To sum it up, to find accessible Thousand Islands boat tours in New York, focus on established operators in Alexandria Bay and Clayton. Communicate directly with tour providers about their accessibility features. Choose tours that minimize or accommodate disembarking challenges and select boats and routes that suit your mobility requirements. This way, you can enjoy a safe and enjoyable adventure in the beautiful Thousand Islands region.